So here we go. We got a building here we're about to work on. Alright, so here we go here. We're about to go take care of this building here. We got hats and stuff in here and boots and stuff. So what we'll do is we'll do a little high dusting. Make sure we get all them high dusting down. And we dust the boots off. Get the dust off the boots and off the shelves. We got dusting to be on the shelves and around the memorabilia, around the merchandise. Cobwebs, the cobweb in the middle right there. Get that cobweb down on the back of here. Make sure we knock them down. And them lights turn, so yeah, you gotta be careful with them. Hot dust, I get all that dust down. So yeah, you gonna go, I'm gonna go behind you. If you're gonna do the hot dust, and then I'm gonna come behind you. I had dust come out back here, so they want these boxes and stuff dusted off.
This motive got me feeling all proud. Like a lane wine at party, this is the hardest, like more proud. I'm tryna get lit to a hit like this girl. If you think this stinks, then it must be you, like shower. Cause I know it's more than hot. This motive got me feeling all proud. Like a lane wine at party, this is the hardest, like more proud. I'm tryna get lit to a hit like this girl.
They also want me to clean this vacuum. They want me to clean the vacuum off. So I'm about to go out here. We're about to go out here and clean this off. What happened was somebody came and done some construction work and they used their equipment and they wasn't happy about using the equipment because it doesn't have a bag in there. So they sucked up a bunch of concrete dust and they left their equipment like that. So they called back the contractor and the contractor subbed us in here to do the work. So man, subbing work is good, man. Subbing work is good. Getting with a team of people that you can get to where you can get extra work, it's always a plus. They have all this dust on here, so when they was doing it, so what they was doing, they was sucking it up and it was blowing outside this vacuum. So they sucked up all the dust in here, but the vacuum had this in the back, and so it was blowing the dust out. And so you got dust all on here. You see where you can see some shoes was there. You got dust there. You got dust on these boxes. Dust just blew all in here. Look on top of the refrigerator. If you can see it, it's just dust. So they called us in here to get the dust up. Look on top of here. You can see where I just wiped a little bit off. Dusty. The dust.
Yeah, you're leaving a little extra over here.
Yeah, that works. So you taller.
Yeah.
You taller than me. That's right here.
Yeah.
I was actually looking for the orange one, the one that's a microfiber cloth, but I don't think that one. I think that one broke.
It's gonna get them off.
Yeah, that does a little better.
Yeah.
And then we start top. See how that dust coming down. And then what we do, we knock all that dust down, let it settle, then we come through, vacuum it up. Come up from the top down. Oh, Let me move this vacuum out the way. That's not good. And make sure to be careful when you dusting down for the people that's walking in here. You know, when they come in here, we don't want to get no dust on them and stuff.
Yes sir, baby I'm a boss, they say yes sir. Shout out to myself, that's my investor. Made another meal, let's run it back like Devin Hester. Pistol in my dresser, baby this is silk, not polyester. Yes sir, baby I'm a boss, they say yes sir. Shout out to myself.